In this video, I want to show you how to make no face January Instagram's 8 viewers story. First, you have to simply open up the Instagram. After that, you need to simply tap on your Instagram profile. So here at the top, you find the little plus option. You have to simply tap on this one. Then you have to simply tap on story. Now at the top, you find the template option. You need to simply tap on this one. Now scroll down below, and here on international hits you need to simply scroll down below on international hits section, you need to simply swipe. And now here you notice that there is a no face January Instagram 8 viewers trend. Here you need to simply tap on this one. Now here you can randomly upload 6 different pictures. So I want to just upload 6 different pictures from my gallery. After that, you need to simply tap on check mark. So you notice that a lot of people are using this trend. You have to simply tap on your story. Now I want to go to the Instagram story section. So here you notice that I have successfully created the Instagram no face January 8 viewers trend story. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.